Hi guys, this is Jen. So for this video ay continuation lang siya ng aking Georgia vlog. So this is the day 3 of our tour at ang first stop namin ay sa Georgian Chronicles. Ngayon lang namin siya pinuntahan. Actually part na pa siya ng city tour kaso madadaanan naman siya on our way to Godauri. And again, we took this tour package from Galatay on Facebook. By the way guys, these Georgian Chronicles have 16 pillars that are between 30 to 35 meters tall, and the top half features kings, queens, and heroes, while the bottom part depicts stories from the life of Christ. Hi. Hi.
里面怎么一个人不在那个方向？
This Georgian Chronicle is situated at the top of the hill, kaya kapag pumunta ka sa likod ng mga monuments, makakakita ka rin ng isang scenic view ng lake, and there is also a chapel beside it.
Ciekawe, jak potrzeby, to jest cały czas sobie i to masz naszej gadaj,
That's the Chronicles of Georgia.
o i to jest no nie ma się nic.
Approve!
That's what
cold?
that's actually, that's what
Is it cold? Huh? No. Really?
really nice man.
Next stop is Jivari Monastery. The 6th century monastery is the oldest Orthodox church on the top of Jivari mountain. The next stop is Jin Valley Dam, which is isa sa pinaka-favorite kong attractions na pinuntahan namin. Sobrang Instagram worthy niya and sobrang ganda ng pinaka-place itself. Dito din kami unang nakatapak at nakapaglaro ng snow. And this time, papunta na dapat kami sa Godauri Ski Resort, which is part talaga ng itinerary namin. But unfortunately, due to bad weather conditions and heavy snowfall, hindi na kami nakapagpa sa mga road papunta sa taas. Sobrang risky na and binablock na nila yung roads to avoid accidents. Since hindi na nga kami nakapunta sa Godauri Ski Resort, dito na lang kami nag-stay sa may Anamuri Castle to do some activities such as quadro riding. The snow quadro riding experience is literally one of the best. This is highly recommended lalo na kung malakas yung loob mo and you want to experience adventure. Kasi while riding this quadro, malilibot mo na yung forest and makakakita ka rin ng mga lakes and mountains. Madadaanan mo rin yung mga villagers, yung mga local houses nila doon. And syempre, hindi naman kayo magra-ride mag-isa. Sasamahan naman kayo ng mga villagers doon na pagrerentahan nyo ng quadro. Meron din palang choices. It's either mag-share kayo sa isang quadro or magtigisa kayo. This quadro riding costs us 300 lari. Dalawa na kami doon. Usually naman yung mga activities sa Georgia, nagre-range siya approximately 300 lari. last stop of course, dinner time. Nakalimutan ko na kung paano i-pronounce yung name ng restaurant kaya bahala na kayong basahin yan. This is highly recommended bukod sa sobrang ganda and nice ng ambience ng lugar niya. Sobrang sarap din ng food. Di kami nagkamali na piliin siya as our early Noche Buena. Believe it or not, pero sobrang sarap talaga ng ribs na to. Barbecue ribs siya, sobrang affordable lang and sobrang dami ng servings nila. So this is another mukbang time. Happy eating, happy gutom. BRB.
Ito, this is Ozzy Pindamis sa registers. Ay, may nakuha ang dami. Ah, is good. This is the bucket.
After kumain, hinatid na rin kami ng tour guide namin sa hotel. Pero syempre, sayang yung time kaya naglakad-lakad na muna kami para bumili ng mga pasalubong. And inabutan na rin kami ng Christmas sa daan. Kaya, Merry Christmas! See you in my last vlog!